Let's learn Soul Shake. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse. It is a 64 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Soul Shake. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the left. So you're going to step left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side, and you're going to rock your right foot back and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your grapevine to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 quarter turning Monterey's. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling our body to the left. You're going to make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on your left foot and stepping your right next to your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. Point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that, pointing our right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. Make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on your left foot and stepping your right next to your left. You're now facing 6 o'clock. Point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. Some styling that you can do is on your Monterey's, you can kind of add some shoulder shimmies if you would like to add a little bit extra in. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just rocked back, recover, facing 12 o'clock, 2 Monterey's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right behind your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, facing 6 o'clock, rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. You're now going to rotate your left heel in towards your right, your left toes in, and then your left heel in. Weight still on that right foot. You're now going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. You're going to rotate your right heel in towards your left, your right toes in, and your right heel in. When I do my right heel in, I kind of also have my left heel go with it. It gives me some leverage to go into my heels, toes, heels, but you don't have to. As long as that right heel is coming in, you can go right into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. You're stepping that right foot forward and doing your heel, toe, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to do heels, toes, heels with a clap to the right. So we're going to rotate both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right, and you're going to clap. We're now going to do both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, and you're going to clap. When you're doing these, you want to make sure that your feet are at least shoulder width apart so that you can twist freely without worrying about your feet connecting with each other. So let's try that with some counts. We just had our right heel come in towards our left. You're doing your heels, toes, heels to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6. Right now our body is slightly angled towards 7:30. This is where your body will stay angled for a majority of this section. Your body itself is going to be facing 7:30, but your steps are going to travel towards 6 o'clock in a forward motion. So you're going to take that right toe, you're going to touch it forward, but your body is twisted towards the 7:30 diagonal. That means your knee is also going to be facing there, but your foot should be traveling forward. You're now going to drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot, still angled into the diagonal. You're now going to take your left toe, touch it forward, and drop your left heel, still heading towards 6 o'clock with your body angled. Weight's now on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step forward right, and as you step forward with the left, you want to make sure that you're back facing 6 o'clock with your whole body. You're now going to step forward with your right foot and do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. doing your toe struts with your body angled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7, we're going to do a step point. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left. You're going to point your left toe to the left side. You're now going to step your left foot forward and slightly over your right. You're going to scuff your right heel forward, and then we're going to do a jazz box, crossing our right over our left. Step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quarter pivot. Weights on your left, you're doing your step point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8 in our final section of the dance. You're going to bring your right toe in next to your left, and you want to slightly rotate your right knee in towards the left. You're now going to have your heel touch slightly forward with your knee pointing out, and then we're going to repeat that. So bring your right toe in with your knee pointed in, your right heel out with your knee pointed out. You're now going to do a big step forward onto your right and step your left next to your right, your split weight. And we're going to bounce both heels up twice, lifting them up, down, down. And when you come down, you want to put your weight onto your right foot so that you can start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our jazz box. You're doing your toe heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some people like to add a little bit of a twist with their other foot when they're doing those toe heels. So when you're doing it, if you would like, when that toe comes in, you're kind of twisting your heel too. So you're going twist, your whole body is kind of then angled towards the left. Your heel is angled to the right. And then when you do your heel forward, it rotates back to the left. Toe, heel, heel. And you can kind of twist along with it. Some people kind of like to also make it travel towards the right. That's another option. So whenever you do your toe in, your heel is going to come with it. And then when you do your heel, your toe will come with it. Heel, toe, and you can kind of slowly make them go towards the right. But again, that choice is yours. On the step sheet, it just says toe, heel, big step, bounce, bounce. But if you would like to add some styling in, that is what I see a lot of people doing. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your grapevine. Side behind, side cross, chasse, rock back, recover, quarter Monterey, side rock, recover, behind, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap, toe, strut, walk, step, quarter turn, cross, point, step, scuff, jazz box, toe, heel, big step, bounce, bounce. And that is the whole dance. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that right, heading to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is starting on your right foot, doing your grapevine to the left. Side behind, side cross, chasse, rock back, quarter Monterey. Side rock behind, side rock, recover, behind, side rock, recover, behind, side cross, step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap, toe, strut, walk, quarter turn, cross, point, step, scuff, jazz box. Now your toe, heel, big step, bounce, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grapevine, side, behind, side, cross, chasse, rock back, Monterey, turn. Do it again. Now your side rock behind, side rock behind, side rock behind, side cross, step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap, toe, strut, walk, walk, quarter turn, cross, point, step, scuff, jazz, box, step, toe, heel, big step and bounce, grapevine to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. It's going to end naturally facing the front on your heel bounces, and you can just kind of hang out in there until the song completely ends. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Soul Shake. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.